Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about atmospheric pressure, and before that we discussed about pressure inside liquid. I think the concept about pressure must be clear to you by now. Now today we will discuss a small topic, that is measuring pressure. How we can measure a pressure. So there are certain type of instruments by the help of which we can measure pressure. Pressure inside fluid can be measured by a manometer. Fluid means liquid. Pressure inside liquid is measured by an instrument known as manometer. There are many types of manometer like mercury manometer, digital manometer, etc. But the commonest manometer which is used nowadays in large scale, that is mercury manometer. So you can see this is a picture of mercury manometer. In this there is a U-shaped tube made of glass inside which mercury is present, and when this is dipped inside any fluid, then the mercury column on one side rises and the other side it decreases. As a result of it, what happens? We can calculate the difference in the two column and we can estimate the pressure inside a liquid at any level inside it. Now another case is measuring atmospheric pressure. About atmospheric pressure, we discussed that atmospheric pressure decreases on going up. So generally it is measured at different levels on Earth's surface, levels of land surface on Earth. It is measured by an instrument that is known as barometer. You can see in this picture there are two types of barometer. First barometer is again which is using mercury in it, and the second barometer is a digital barometer. So by the help of this barometer we measure atmospheric pressure, and by the help of manometer we measure pressure inside liquid. That's all about it today, and almost the topics in the lesson, important topics in the lesson are finished. So I request you all kindly go through the exercises given in the book and do the needful. After that we will have discussion of some important questions from the exercise. Thank you.